Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install LINQPad on this Windows machine. So here, to download the software, in Google search box, write the LINQPad, then go on this linkpad.net site. Thereafter, the .NET programmer playground. Query database in Link, you can use Oracle, SQL, SQLite, Postgre, MySQL. Thereafter, 5 millions that's downloaded. This is earlier for Windows, Mac. And now let's click on this download LINQPad. So here Windows and the LINQPad 8. So this is now .NET 3.1, .NET 9 should be there. Or here 4.7 .NET Framework 4.8 should be there. And this here for Mac is there. Now thereafter, let's use the LINQPad 8. Click on this download. The file is downloading. The size is only 39 MB. So thereafter, simply you need to click on this exe file. So thereafter, here the installation wizard that's come there. Click on this next. So here associate LINQPad, desktop, shortcut, exe for this is for path. So you should use this to support the command line. And thereafter click on this next, and now you need to click on this install. So installing this LINQPad is there. So this is now all done LINQPad. So here you can see this icon that's created there. Then the next is, if you want, then you can launch from here, or let's click on this finish. Let's click on this icon. So when you click on this icon, so LINQPad 8 is now opening. So this come there. Thereafter here you have the option or demo database SQLite you can use. So or LINQPad required Microsoft or this SQLite this. So let's click on this yes button to download, and downloading this SQLite inside this or LINQPad. And thereafter you can do the connection from this place. Thereafter when the database that's come there, here you can see this is the tables. This is the customer table, and this here employees table. And thereafter right click, then you can display there 100 records. So 100 records that's displaying there, and this all here you should show this or this form. This is SQL query form. IL native is now working, and this is tree form is there, and this is AI form. User this all. So let's click on this, and here C# extension is there. You can use this C#, VB, SQL, F# option also available. So this lecture is only about how to install this or LINQPad on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.